everyone, welcome back to online yoga class part 15. I am Priyam Chandu of class 9. Today I will show you how to do aerobic exercises. Let's start.
Hello everyone, I am Sahil Datta of class 9 and we will show you all the exercise together.
That's all for the day. Hope you enjoyed the video and wait for the upcoming episodes. Keep watching and practicing yoga exercises for mental as well as physical well-being. All the best to you all for your upcoming examination. Thank you, class.